As you see on the screen, when doing the provincial incorporation from Ontario province, you will pay $270.30. And I'll show you exact scenario and step-by-step process on how it is done. You will see a simple and intuitive way to complete the incorporation process in less than 20 minutes. And this is numbered incorporation. I want to be completely transparent with you. This video is not sponsored by Ownr and they did not pay me to make this video. However, I do have a referral link in the description and I have also pinned this in the comment section. When you click the referral link, you will land on this page where you can see this message and it says get 15% of your incorporation automatically at the time of checkout. This discount will apply if you complete the sign up within 30 days of clicking the link. When you go directly to Ownr website without the referral link, this message does not appear because it takes you to a different page which you can see here. So if you plan to use Ownr anyway, using the referral link ensures that the discount is automatically applied during checkout. If you came through the referral link, the discount will automatically appear here. You can see the promo discount reflected in the final price along with the message that says, if you receive the code from an affiliate, the person referred, you may receive a reward. And that's me. If for some reason the promo code is not applied, which is there, you can reach out to me and I will try to get this resolved with Ownr, as I have done this with few other people who experience this issue. Now, let me take you through the process step by step. Once you click on the link and you come to this page, click here and here you will select the province as Ontario and next incorporation select, and here instead of named select numbered and then click next. Here you see you'll have to create an account, join over. You see the number of Canadian businesses on Ownr and then you will enter your name, email, password, confirm password and sign up. These hashes, these are representing the number. So numbers will be randomly generated and it will have number followed by Ontario Inc. So account information, your phone number, address, and I am a Canadian resident is ticked here. Once you hover here on the question mark, you have mode where you can read more about this. Click next. Here again in the corporate information, company detail, my company will be provincial Canadian based in Ontario. And then address from what was entered earlier. My company will operate from this drop down. Select the industry, whichever is closest. I'm selecting technology, internet and software. And then physical year I have kept at December and click next. Since it is a numbered incorporation, automatically this will get generated and it will represent your corporation's name, such as example what is given here, and that's why you see on top hash currently. Click next. Company ownership I've shown as myself, and since I have chosen myself, this overview, director, officers, everything will show my name and 100% as the ownership. So including the share classes. Let me click here. You see, this is how it shows up. So when I click next, you will see all three automatically getting updated and we will move to the chooser plan and pay. So here on the choose your subscription plan, there are two options here, basic and pro, and you can see the cost breakdown. I'm selecting the basic and then go with the verification by producing one of the government ID. And here you can see the billing information and the complete breakdown. You can also see the promo discount which has been applied and also the total amount here after discount and the credit, which comes to $270.30 and it says discount applied. This is how you will get to know that by using the link you are getting that discount. If you have received this code from affiliate, they will also receive a reward. By clicking next, you agree to open an RBC bank account within 60 days of payment. If you do not open the account, the discount will not apply and your credit card will be charged the remaining $300. You would be doing the payment with credit card. So once your incorporation document is in hand, you call up RBC bank account helpline, set up an appointment to open the business bank account, and once that is done, everything should be good. If it is not done within 60 days, in that case, your credit card will get charged this $300 credit which is being given. So once we click next, enter the credit card information and then go ahead and do the payment by clicking pay now. Once that is done, the final review of the document will be done. You will go through everything, and once you confirm and submit, Ownr will take on from there and get the process done on your behalf. And once the incorporation is ready, they will inform you about that. And that's the entire process. Also, check out my website, canadatriedandtested.com. The link will be there in the description, where in this organized link section, you have everything at one place. If you want to know how to get the business number, how to apply for license and permit, payroll nil report, some of the important documentation what is required with the business, all of that I have organized at one place, and you can check that out.